Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of online accounts you manage? From social media to banking, it can sometimes feel like a full-time job just keeping track of them all. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that might be a bit less glamorous, but equally important: how to close your Credit Karma account. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of closing your account, let's take a moment to understand why you might want to do so. Perhaps you've found a better credit monitoring service, or maybe you're simply trying to declutter your digital life. Whatever the reason, it's important to approach this process with clarity and intention. Step-by-step guide. Access your Credit Karma account. The first step is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do this by visiting their website or opening their app. Locate Settings or Account Options. Once you're logged in, look for Settings or Account section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Find the Close Account option. Within the Settings or Account section, you should find an option to close account or something similar. Click on it. Confirm your decision. Credit Karma will likely ask you to confirm your decision to close your account. They may also provide a brief explanation of what closing your account entails. Provide feedback. Optional. Some platforms offer the opportunity to provide feedback or reasons for closing your account. This can be helpful for the company to improve their services. Confirm closure. After confirming your decision, Credit Karma should provide you with a message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Additional tips. Review your privacy settings. Before closing your account, it's a good idea to review your privacy settings and ensure that your personal information is protected. Download your data. If you want to keep a record of your credit history or other data from Credit Karma, you may be able to download a copy before closing your account. Consider alternatives. If you're closing your Credit Karma account because you're dissatisfied with their services, consider researching other credit monitoring options that might better suit your needs. Closing your Credit Karma account is a relatively straightforward process, but it's important to take the time to understand the steps involved and make sure you're making the right decision for your financial situation. By following the guidelines we've outlined in this video, you can confidently close your account and move on to other financial endeavors. So, if you've been considering closing your Credit Karma account, don't hesitate to take action. The steps are simple, and the peace of mind you'll gain from decluttering your digital life is invaluable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.